Od bura mar county ma Meru ogolo oko gavana ma county no men Gavana Mwangaza tok jo od bura 67 luto ombulu mar gole apisi. Okang' makamano biro kaluwore gi twak mar jo od bura ni Mwangaza osebedo ka tiyo marach gi apis mare. Ma ndio timore kata obedo ni Mwangaza nyocho chwalo boke kokalo kuom okinde ka otamore chope od bura kowacho ni bura pod nitiere doho kendo chik nogol mar ni twak mar gole oko e apisi kik dhi nyime. Mae nyiso ni speaker mar od bura no koro dhi chwalo paro makamano ne speaker mar Senate mondo mi od bura no tim nonro kendo ng'ad ka Mwangaza wuok oko e apis koso oyo.
If the governor of Meru County is the problem, then there comes a time when this county is more important than that governor, Mr. Speaker.
We want the world and the country to know that Gavana Gavana Mwangaza is not a reflection of who the Meru ladies are. She's just an exceptional case that should be treated as such. Because, Mr. Speaker, one wise man once said that in every market, there is always that one madman.
The ayes are voted 67. The nay is 0. The abstain is 0. And those present were 2. Those absent were 2. Honourable members, I wish to declare the ayes have it, and the Governor of Meru, Honourable Bishop Gavana Mwangaza, stand impeached with the Meru County Assembly. Thank you, honourable members.
Kwa kanyo